It is bottling night for the reserve, so I'm going to be going through what that process looks like for me. I started by siphoning it out of this carboy and into that one, just off of the lees that fell out over the last couple months. Now I have 2 cases of bottles, so I'm going through and hand sanitizing these because I don't have a bottle tray, which means 4 squirts of our Star San in each bottle, and then this bucket already has Star San in it, so taking every bottle that has a squirt of Star San, making sure the inside's all the way coated, and then just pouring it in there. Because this is carbonated, we're going to have to add in a little bit more yeast because this has been aging for so long that I'm afraid the yeast is just all the way dead or gone. And then we're also going to need to throw in sugar for the yeast to eat. Now the yeast itself is not a problem. We're just going to pour in some of our EC1118. Just a good portion there. And then pour in a bit of priming sugar to get that yeast started. We'll go for a little bit more. There we go. Then give her a good aeration. And let all that stuff mix in. But we are still left with a problem. I don't know how much cider that is. And therefore, I can't mix in the amount of sugar that we would normally mix in to get as much sugar as we want per bottle. And part of why I chose the name Orthopraxis for this project was to hold myself to a standard and make sure that I wasn't just saying, well, I guess we'll just dump in sugar and hopefully not have bottle bombs. I committed to doing this right. So that means that I have to take exactly 2 grams of priming sugar and put it in each bottle by hand. And that's what we got. Since these are already primed, we'll cap them and save them for later. And in 4 weeks, they will be drinkable. But I have other plans.